2012 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, CD changer, running boards, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.